Model Making Guru is sponsored by emodels.co.uk, your one-stop shop for all your model making needs. emodels.co.uk. Make something awesome. G'day, puppers. Bloody mystery package time. Yeah. Hey everyone, it's Fox from Model Making Guru here. G'day, bro. Yeah, I got a mystery package. Came in the mail this morning and I know where it's from. It's from good old Australia. Yes, I have a package come through. I've got two packages that came through. This big one from my very, very good friend Kenneth, who lives in the upside down part of the world. And this one, which is something I ordered. So I thought I'd open these for you on camera. Yeah, why not? So I'll be looking forward to this one. I've no idea what it is. This one I do know what it is. I think I know what it is. So let me get my knife of opening, which I forgot to get. It is here. Right, so we have two packages, the big one and the little one. So we'll do the little one first. I apologise for the really bad Australian accent. Yeah, it's no good. It was not very good. Yeah, I'd make a terrible Australian. I'm allergic to anything that wants to kill me. So I'd love to go to New Zealand. I'd love to visit New Zealand, but Australia, I'd love to visit there, but everything that lives there wants to kill me, so maybe not. Right, now this one, it should be something fairly, I think I know what this is. I've got a few things turning up from various places. This is, enclosed is your item from DGR Products. Thank you very much for your purchase. Please be kind enough to leave positive feedback. This lets me know your item has arrived safely. This isn't, I don't know why I'm reading this in Australian accent. If you have a problem with your purchase, please contact me before leaving any other feedback to try and resolve any issues. Kind regards, Geraint and Caroline. Well, Geraint and Caroline, thank you very much. Yeah, it's a terrible accent, I know. We have a big bag of silica gel beads. Yeah, noisy. Silica gel beads. This is nothing to do with model making. This is for my car. I'm sick of my car being so full of condensation in the colder, wetter winter months that I have to spend 10 minutes with the heater on to demist the windscreen because my battery, I do a lot of short journeys and my battery dies all the time. So I've got these to try something. Now, here's a handy tip for you. If you live in a climate like the UK where everything is always misting up, get yourself some silica gel beads. These are like the things you get in when you buy something electronic and it's got that little sachet that says do not eat silica. It absorbs moisture. I think it's to do with the electrons in the water vapor, and this attracts electrons. I don't know, it's hungry for electrons and it absorbs the moisture. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get myself a little plastic sandwich tub, put some holes in the lid, put these in it, tape it down, and this will just stay in the car. Not this bag, but the beads. And they will absorb the moisture from the car. So hopefully, and I've read online that apparently this stops you having mist in your car. So you get in the car in the winter morning and it's not going to be misted up. It's not going to stop freezing, but it means the inside of your windscreen isn't going to be covered in ming and water droplets and horrible stuff. So I'm going to put them in there, leave them in the car. And apparently what happens is when they get full up, they turn green. So all you do is you take these, put them in a oven safe bowl, put them in the oven about 180 degrees for, I don't know, 5 or 10 minutes or something, until they go orange again. All the water vapours, all the water's come off them. They're dry. Put them back in the car. So, handy tip. I'll let you know how it goes. Don't go out and buy any now because it might be a complete failure and not work. So I'll let you know how it goes. And if it works, then yeah, we'll do some. I would recommend you get them. So stay tuned for that. You watch now. The car won't mist up. Now on to the main ticket event. I'm looking forward to this. Kenneth sent me, Kenneth very, very kindly, my very good friend Kenneth, I'll give him a free plug, DGR Products, 7 Firth Road, Penny Fan in Llanelli in Carmarthenshire, SA15 1PH, for, I don't know what else they sell, but they sell those things. They're on the eBays anyway. Now yes, my very good friend Kenneth sent me these. He recently purchased something, and by accident purchased two. So he said, would you like me to gift you one? And I'm like, brilliant, thank you very much. I like Kenneth. Kenneth's awesome. So you'll know Kenneth from chat and from the Boom Hut and stuff. So I was like, yeah, that'd be lovely. That'd be absolutely brilliant. Thank you very much. So I don't know what it is. So let's open it and find out. Let's find out. Now, I think there might be a box inside a box here. If you wonder why there's holes, it's because I've taken the address labels off. I don't like showing off my address or anybody else's address on the telly. It's not my place to give out other people's addresses. Right, we've got a second box. Bloody hell. This may get noisy. There may be lots of noise. Oh, there's lots of noise. Hang on, hang on. This is... Tell you what, Kenneth, I'm getting my exercise today. Bloody hell. How much tape? Wish I hadn't worn my sweater now. I'll just make sure there's no addresses. No, don't think so. Scan events required. Yeah, just make sure Kenneth's address is not on there. Nope. There are some words, but I don't want to know what's in here yet, so... Hang on. It's Australian tape. It's hardcore. It has to be because of all the things that want to kill you. Are we there yet? Oh, not half. I know the camera's probably wobbling everywhere right now. Everything on the desk is wobbling. Oh, blooming heck, Kenneth. Crikey, mate. Doesn't help that my blade is a bit dull. Right. I've just spotted an address. Oh, I hope that didn't come out on camera. If it does, I'll blank it out. Let me just take it off. Oh, just noticed that now in corner. There we go. If I blanked that out and there was a little blob in the corner of the screen, it's because I didn't know that address was on there. I won't show your address off, Kenneth, don't worry. Whew, that's the first box. Let's do the second box. Yeah, this tape's a bit less hardcore. Not that much less hardcore. Right. I know one thing that's in this box. Two things, because I knew there'd be... gotta do it. Yes, yes, yes. Kill, stab, 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 stab. Yes. Haha. We have a note. Ooh. I'll get the note out first. Oh, bless him, he's wrapped it. Foxx. Dear Foxx. I won't do it in the accent because that'd just be insulting. Dear Foxx, thank you for making your movies and teaching people like me how to enjoy the hobby more and become better modellers. You're a great and fun person and I enjoy chatting with you lots. Kenneth, Alex and Jackie. P.S. I hope you like the model and the Tim Tams. He sent me some Tim Tams. I've no idea what they are, but I kind of know what they are, but I don't. So yes, Kenneth, Alex and Jackie, thank you so much. Alex is Kenneth's dog and Alex is awesome. Right. Bless him, he's wrapped it. I love this. Oh, that's so nice. Let me get this box out of the way. Oh, yeah, hang on. Yeah. Oh. See, this resonates with me because when I do people's birthday presents, I wrap them in Christmas paper. And when I do Christmas presents, I wrap them in like birthday paper and stuff. So, oh, right. The longest, most involved unwrapping I've ever done. Have I left anything in the box? No. Box is empty. Let's get this unwrapped. Oh. I saw a Bandai logo. I'm not looking, I'm not looking. You guys will see what it is before I do. Hang on, look, not looking, not looking. Okay, now I'm gonna look. Oh, dude! Oh my life! Oh my life! Dude, seriously? That is incredible. You've sent me a Sinanju. Oh my life. The ultimate gumpler. Oh, wow. Oh wow. Oh my. Oh. Hang on, I've missed some tape. Have I missed some tape? Yes, I missed some tape. Dude. Okay, maybe it's not a Sinanju then. I see what you're doing here. Have you got more bags? Hang on. Let's work on the assumption it's not a Sinanju. That'd be brilliant. Right. Fox. Oh, you shouldn't have me. I didn't. Kenneth, you're a star. Oh, you absolute genius. That's brilliant. Oh, dude. So what do we actually have? We actually have... I'm still giggling about that. That is brilliant. Especially the note. You shouldn't have. Oh, I didn't. I'm going to giggle about that for a while. We have a pack of Tim Tams and a Halo UNSC Warthog. Dude, thank you so much. Now, what you don't know is, as well... I'll just double check before I say anything. Let me just double check something. This isn't a double blind. Just make sure this is a UNSC Warthog. Hang on. How devious are you, Kenneth? Yes, we have a Warthog. Yes. Oh, that is brilliant. Yes, I just wanted to make sure. I won't get it out. I shan't get it out. I can't actually get it back in. I'm still giggling about that. Oh, Kenneth. What you don't know is that he's actually pulled a second joke on me, and I really actually find it quite funny, because we've been having a whole conversation on Discord over the last few weeks when he said he was going to send me something, and he said, "Oh, I've just remembered you don't like resin, do you?" And I'm like, I don't mind resin. It's not something I'd go out of my way to build, but I don't mind it. So he's been winding me up, saying he's been really panicky because he thinks he's made me believe he sent me something in resin and I'm not going to like it. Oh, Kenneth. So Tim Tams. So these are the legendary Tim Tams. Apparently you can use them as he said you can use them as a straw, but I don't know how you do that. I'm going to have to eat one though. But let's have a look at this first. It's the Revell Halo UNSC Warthog. Cool. See, I've got some toy Warthogs, but I need a model one, proper model one. This will have a slightly better figure in it, because the one that comes with my toy Warthog's a bit rubbish. So I'm going to have fun with this, giving it a full paint job. I will see if I can find, I've got somewhere some UNSC decals. So I think we should be more than able to plaster these in UNSC decals. Cool. 8+, I'm just about at that level. You must be this tall to ride. I'm just about at that level, so I should be alright. So Kenneth, thank you so much for that. That will go onto the playlist, don't worry. Now let's have a Tim Tam. Oh, I'm still giggling. I'm still giggling. Oh, Fox, you shouldn't have. Kenneth. Oh, right. Oh, now this smells like proper chocolate that the Americans can't do. The one thing you learn if you live in Europe is the Americans can't do chocolate. This smells like proper milk chocolate. Let's go in. Oh, that's Tim Tams. There is no substitute, it says. Made with irresistible real chocolate. Oh god, it smells really nice. I can't explain the smell to you. It's a really strong chocolatey fudgy smell. Are we ready? My mouth's watering now. Let's do this. All right. They're like hang on, coffee. Hang on, coffee plus floppy moustache. Oh, they're nice. They're like penguin bars, penguin biscuits, but a slightly different flavour inside. Oh, they're nice. It's got a 0.5 health star rating. Then if you want to shout about if you've got like a 0.5 rating in something. It says there, 0.5 health star rating. So it's half out of 5, half of 1 out of 5 healthy. Don't know if that's something I want to shout about. They're nice. I shall get myself a fresh cup of coffee and try this idea. I'm assuming you dip them in the coffee and maybe they suck the coffee up. I don't know. He said something about using them like a straw. Maybe he was winding me up on that as well. I can't believe a word Ken says now. I'm going to have to doubt everything he tells me. just for my own sanity. That was really, really nice. I'm going to eat all of these. Don't worry, I will give maybe one to Mum. She'll get one, maybe one. I might be generous and give him more than one. I was looking for that note. Where's it gone? Oh, I've lost that note now. Fox, you shouldn't have. Kenneth. Oh, I didn't. Oh, it's genius. Kenneth, thank you so much. You give me a right giggle. Thank you so much, dude. I really, really appreciate this. It's absolutely awesome of you. He said he'd ordered two, and he'd ordered two by mistake, so went to send me one. So yeah, that's absolutely brilliant. That's going to go into the to-do pile, and we shall get that done. And don't worry, I'm not going to put Space Marines in it. They won't fit. This will be a proper just Halo build. That's brilliant, dude. I'm still giggling. Oh, here's the note. Hang on. Oh no, it's the other note. Never mind. This has not been a very organised unboxing. It's been a bit chaotic, but that's made my day. That has. Kenneth, I can't thank you enough, amigo. Thank you so much. Best wishes to you and Alex and Jackie. I shall go now. I have a sudden urgent appointment with the hot cup of coffee and some Tim Tams. But I can now say I've eaten Australian foods. Yeah, eating Australian food, mate. Does that mean I'm a qualified Aussie now? There's probably other things I need to do as well, like not be scared of spiders. That'd be one of them. Dude, thank you so much. I shall go off and enjoy my Tim Tams. I'll put this in the to-do pile, and we'll get a video build out of that. But I shall leave you now, and I'm still kind of slightly flawed and speechless. Made a right fool of myself. Oh my god, he's got me a Solanju. Oh wait. Oh, that's brilliant. Well, at least I've got a Solanju box. Dude, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Do take care of yourselves. I will update you on the Silica beads and let you know how these come out. And if they work, then I'd recommend getting some. So I'll keep you updated. But until next time, I need to go and eat these now. Until next time, take care of yourselves. Thank you so much for watching. Go be awesome. Go make something awesome. And until next time, Master Chief out, sir.